If you're ready to book your first copywriting client but not sure how to write your email pitch, then this video is for you. There are 5 things your pitch must do. Get these things right and you'll be well on your way to crafting a standout and unignorable pitch. Here are the 5 things your pitch must do. Have a catchy, click-worthy subject line. Be personal. Include stats, facts, and data. Present the perfect pitch. Weave in the humble brag. We'll dive into each one in a sec, but first, intros. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Milligan, a conversion copywriter, helping you write words for the web so you get seen and heard by the people who need you most. If you are a new and aspiring copywriter struggling to write an email pitch that leads to the sale of your copywriting services, then this video can help. Here are the 5 things your pitch must do. Number 1, have a catchy, click-worthy subject line. Your email subject line is the first thing the person sees. It's important it stands out in a sea of emails flooding their inbox all day long. It shouldn't be clever, cute, or gimmicky. Rather, it should clearly say why you've reached out. I've done a full video on email subject lines that you can watch next. It walks you through the 6 ways to write email subject lines that get your emails opened. You'll see a link in the description box below. But in a nutshell, you want to make your email subject line enticing, click-worthy, and relevant to them. And speaking of relevancy, let's look at number 2. Be personal. Of course, it's your copywriting services, knowledge and insights that you want to present, and you want them to agree to work with you. But the key to crafting the perfect email pitch lies in finding the acute angle. Your potential client is most likely wondering what's in it for them. So don't keep them in the dark. Tell them why working with you will be a smart and game-changing decision. When you do this, it feels like a more attractive offer. Show you've done the research and understand their brand story, their target audience, and the problems they're facing. Do this clearly and concisely. Your email pitch shouldn't be a long and drawn-out essay on how awesome you are. Now is not the time for that. Instead, craft a measured email that exemplifies your ability to be compelling and concise at the same time. When you make your email pitch personal to the reader, they are more likely to be interested in what you have to say and the offer being presented. All right, number 3, include stats, facts, and data to prove you know your stuff. It's important you express an understanding of their business, that you are aware of their USP, their values, and their wider mission. If they have a podcast, blog, or YouTube channel, make sure you dive into their content. Draw on relevant examples to support your position and your reason for reaching out to them in the first place. If it's relevant, throw in some impressive stats or facts about their industry, sector, or niche. By including stats and data in your pitch, you show an ability to anchor your thoughts and opinions in numbers that back you up. When you include relevant stats, facts, and data in your email pitch, you position yourself as an authority. Number 4, present the perfect pitch. All right, so now it's time to present the perfect pitch. Everything you've done up to this point has laid a solid foundation to present your copywriting offer. Make your copywriting services sound irresistible. If the opportunity presents itself, then consider using elements of urgency and scarcity. This might not always be the right approach, so follow your instinct on that. Be sure to highlight the value your copywriting services will bring to their business. Clearly express your desire to collaborate. Be bold and creative in the way you highlight the benefits of hiring you to transform their copy. And number 5, weave in the humble brag. As you prepare to wrap up your pitch, consider adding a little personality if you haven't done so already. The wrap-up portion of your pitch is just as important as the email subject line. You'll want to finish strong and leave a positive and unforgettable lasting impression. The last thing you want is for them to get to the end of your email and not take action. So decide on what the CTA will be. What action do you want them to take when they reach the end of the pitch? Keep it simple and easy to do. The fewer friction points in the book a call funnel, the better. Let them know how brilliant you are at writing copy, albeit with a healthy dose of humility. By weaving in the humble brag towards the end of your email pitch, you are more likely to pique their curiosity and as a result, hopefully encourage them to take action. And there you have it. 5 things your email pitch must do if you want it to stand out in your ideal client's inbox and inspire them to click. I know it's hard when you're at the beginning of your copywriting journey to get seen and heard by your ideal clients, and writing the perfect pitch is only one of many things you need to master. If you're a freelance copywriter struggling to book consistent clients and you'd like to set up your business in a way that provides more freedom and peace of mind, then get in touch. In the description box below, you'll find a link to book a free call. On the call, we'll go through what's working and what's not. We'll clarify your immediate and long-term goals and design a copywriting game plan to support that vision. And if by the end of the call you feel inspired and motivated to build on the momentum we ignite on the call and work together, then we can discuss that option too. Either way, the call is value-packed and is 100% win-win. You'll find a link to book a call in the description box below. Till next time.